Oh, my word. All right, guys, we are here today with...
I'm Joe.
He's Joe, and...
Robbie.
And we're out here teaching skateboard lessons at the San Mateo Skate Park Shoreview. Shout out the best park in the whole world. And we're skating the best part of it.
Flat ground.
The flat ground. And Joe wants to learn a
Varial flip.
A varial flip. So some people are hating on the varial flip. What do you think about those people, Joe?
Well, I think the varial flip's a very cool trick, and
Agreed.
yeah.
Shout out Gabe Cruz.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what tricks you got.
I've ollie, kickflip,
Yeah.
pop shove it.
Show us an ollie, a kickflip, and a pop shove it.
Yeah.
Ollie, very nice.
And then kickflip.
How long have you been skating for?
About a year.
1 year?
Wow.
Robbie, that's impressive, no?
That's pretty good for an I couldn't ollie over a Hot Wheel.
Same. Took me 6 months to learn an ollie.
And kickflip.
Kickflip.
Wow.
Wow.
That was good.
First try. And then pop shove it.
Ah, wait.
Pop shove it. More than meets the eye.
Totally.
Nice.
Dude, pop shove it's
dude.
totally more than meets the eye.
Okay, here's the magical question.
Yeah.
How long have you been trying to learn a varial flip?
Like 2 days.
2 days. They don't give themselves any time
man.
anymore. Okay, 2 days. We're gonna teach it to you in 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah, lucky for you, varial flip was the first trick I learned.
Dude.
Unlucky for you, I thought it was a backside flip.
do another pop shove it, and let's
Yes.
get that feeling good. We gotta help him on this pop shove it, Robbie.
I
you thinking?
think you're getting a little too much rotation, which is your back foot's maybe a little too much into the pocket or the edge of the tail.
Yeah.
Try to bring it back to center a little bit more.
Wow. I was gonna say he had too much pop. I mean, yeah, so much pop, too much rotation.
Yeah,
Looking
exactly.
very nice. We could
So-
probably teach you a varial flip and a tray flip right now.
Yeah,
to
dude,
be
totally.
honest.
Yeah, you could. So for the varial flip, I think something that's really important, like obviously the stance. It's
Yeah.
different than a pop shove it. It's different than a kick flip. Obviously it involves both of those tricks. But for me, when I varial flip, I tend to put my feet a little bit pointed. My back foot, I kind of have about halfway off of the tail because I do need to get that shove it rotation. And then something that's really important is we know the skateboard's gonna turn this direction from that back foot on the edge. So if I kick flip here, I'm gonna miss the board. So I wanna kick flip in the direction of the shove it.
So like right here.
Yeah, so if I'm popping the board, I'm kicking my foot that way. So that way, as soon as the board shove it, it's also gonna flip over and rotate. Let me give you an example. Let me give you one more.
And also, you don't have to jump right into it. You can pop, flick, and try and get the spin motion
get the
while
spin
stepping
motion
off.
down. Yeah,
You want to give it a shot?
yeah, go for it. Oh,
Oh,
it's looking better than mine.
you 100% have this varial flip.
Oh. Should I try it again?
Yeah, absolutely.
You got it. Bro.
You got it. And then same thing, look at your back foot, watch the tail pop.
Yeah, you're getting so excited, you're flicking too fast.
There you
There
go.
you go! It's funny because I was filming your friend's video of the kickflip with Derek.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Derek was like, this kid learns in 10 tries a kickflip and I've been trying for 3 years.
That's how it is these days.
So it is.
So same thing with this one as the heel flip. If you feel like you're getting too much resistance on your front foot, take more of your front foot off the board, or you can point your front foot a little bit more because we're gonna be kicking in like a 45-degree angle.
So like right here, I'm like
Yep,
flicking.
exactly. Follow the shove it.
Oh.
Bro, right there.
So good. Okay, you got this, 100%. Leave it in the comments below. How many tries does it take him?
That's all right. There's a tray flip. So remember to look at the back foot. Don't get overzealous and start just going for it. You know, you got to look at the back foot. Get that pop down first. There
Wow.
you go.
Almost too much scoop.
Too much
Do you
scoop.
like just on the pop shove it, similar thing. Pop down more and get more of like pop, less like scoop. Because you're going like 270 shove.
Try to get a little bit, maybe a little bit wider stance, so we're not kind of kicking the board so much as a forward flip. There you go.
There you go.
That's it right there. That was it.
See, I like that because you landed on it. There you go.
Oh! Dude. Oh, that was a...
Yeah.
Okay, remember, maybe bring that front foot up a little bit. So when you make an adjustment, we're gonna be fighting muscle memory to go back to that old stance. So just make sure you're like really aware of like, if you make a change, try to stick to that for maybe a couple tries before you move your feet around again. Oh,
yeah.
There you go, that was good.
Now you just need half a more of a flick.
More flick?
So just more flick on that toe. You can like double it up.
Oh, that was it. If your back foot didn't stop the board from rotating, it would have flipped over.
Oh, my word!
Ah, you got it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so funny. It's like one try, you're just right there. And then the next try, this is skateboarding though. So it can be frustrating like that. There it is. Remember to keep your feet high in the air.
Keep my feet high
and
in there.
let it spin. You gotta let the rotation happen.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you see what I'm saying? How if you miss the pop, then none of it works.
Check that back foot as he's popping, Robbie. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so maybe bring your back foot down a little bit. Do you feel like your back foot's hitting the ground when you pop?
Yeah.
So that when your back foot hits the ground, some of that energy doesn't translate back up because it's going into the ground. If it goes through the board, then it's all coming back up to you.
So like more in the tail?
Yeah, more on the tail, and then you could basically position your foot kind of like that, so your toes kind of going with the tail. So then you're kind of popping with your toes, right? So pop with your toes, like push more here.
Yep.
Right. See how the board's like starting to tilt. So it's just gonna help you, right? We're manipulating the board.
Oh my
Dude,
word. So on that one, just keep your knees high.
Keep my knees high?
Yeah, and then you fully got it. Yeah.
Better pop.
Yeah. Okay, if you land it right here, I'll give you a new board.
New board?
I'll give you 3 tries.
3 tries?
That's a good deal.
Oh! One more, you got it. Keep the knees high. Keep the knees high.
You got kickflips too?
Oh! That was so
I think we give him one more try because that was close. You got this.
You got it. One more try.
Oh! I think we give him another try.
Okay, just put your front foot on.
Put my front foot on?
Yeah, your front foot is landing right next to the board. Just make it land on the board. He's like, oh, that's it?
Oh! Dude.
Honestly, it looks so sick too.
Yeah, it flips so good.
Oh.
Wow. That was the flick.
Really good. Yeah, the flick was great. So we want to try to repeat the same movement, right, every time. So if you rush yourself, we tend to like maybe skip some steps. So it's really important, like really think about what you're doing and feel what you're doing too. So that way you can replicate it, because that's how it is. The manipulation's the same all the time.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Dude, so good.
Dude.
Well done.
Nice job, Joe.
Dude, thank you,
So
man.
good. That was really good. First varial flip, first heel flip.
First varial flip and heel flip.
There we go.
Same day.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa!
Dude.
Dude, so good.
Very, very well done. That was amazing. So what do you guys say to all the people out there who have never landed a varial flip?
Dude, just keep trying. Just keep trying. Watch Aaron Cairo.
You got this. Never give up. Thank you, Robbie. You're the best.
Yeah. Oh, man, thank you. Joe's the best, man. That was faster than it took me to learn both of those tricks.
Same.
Killing it.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.